Hi guys, today we're going to be adding page numbers to your multi-page documents using Adobe InDesign Creative Cloud for 2021. So you're going to go to adding the text box and make sure your cursor is blinking. You're going to navigate to type in the menu bar. Go to Insert Special Character. Go to Markers and you're going to add current page number. That's going to indicate what page number you're on. You can treat this as any other type of text. I'm going to make it go right aligned. And in order for you to add this to multiple pages, you can copy, go to the next page, and you're going to paste in place. And whatever you paste to will automatically already update to the right page number. The facing pages do the same thing. Create a text box, put a type, enter special character, markers, current page number. You can change the formatting so it's centered. In order for us to, what I would recommend is actually using master pages. So I'm going to go over to the pages panel over here, and I'm going to duplicate this master spread, A master, and that will retain all of the different margins that I have. And I'm going to paste in place in this B master page. That looks good. And I'm going to hold down Alt on my keyboard and drag this box over to the side while holding Shift so it's aligned and so that it duplicates onto this facing page. In order for you to get it on both pages, you need to include the box on both sides with the page number. Now that I've done that, I'm going to double click on my page 2 in the pages panel, and I'm looking to see whether the pages are on here. It's not, and that's because if you're looking at this panel right here, you can see this little A in the corner. And that's because it's referencing the A master, and I want it to reference the B master because that's where the page numbers are. So what I can do is I can just click and drag from the B master, bring it over here, and now my page number is updated in my page 2. I'm going to do the same thing to page 3. And there's page numbers on all of the pages now. If you'd like to follow along with more helpful design content like this one, hit the subscribe button below. Take care, and I hope you find your workflow today.